Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Monday, December the 16th. Okay, so today I had one trade filled. It was a closing trade on WDC. And ironically, the stock continued on higher, but fortunately it closed very close to the opening. So we got a good price, I guess. And that's good. All right. If you want to see the trade, go to the monitor tab, account statement, and here it is. You have a vertical and the closing. So you see it says to open. So it was a vertical call, bullish call spread. Analyze that and then the close. All right. And then you see what your profit was, $258. Great. That's about the best we can hope for, close to $300. Okay. All right, let's move on. Let's go to the account activity and positions under the monitor tab, and remember that I have previously posted a video explaining how to make this P&L percentage for each trade. This will only work in trades that have not been modified. For example, a diagonal can be modified. If you modify it, it will keep track of the percent gain or loss on the modified trade, not on the original. So, for example, here I'm organizing them according to the highest percent gain. And to do that, click on this little triangle here, and so that the positives are at the top. And I have Costco here, and it says in the money, so it is about to expire this week. And to set that up, you go to application settings and orders, I believe, or positions. Yeah, under positions it says week before expiration. So if you set that up, it would show you in the money all options that are in the money before expiration. And because the next expiration is on Friday, it's showing me this ITM. Okay, so Costco, I'm in a hurry to get it out of the way because we have only a few days. Let's take a look at the chart on Costco. And yeah, I'm concerned that anything could happen in the next couple of days, and I don't want to lose my profit, so let's get out of that, okay? So let's go to the Analyze tab, and here is the original trade, and I have in profits $277, and by closing, we get, no, we don't have that. We have it here. Let's see, $182 is what I have. It's on the red line right here. $270 will be the maximum profit. So if we close today, we're gonna get a little under $90 what we could if we left it to the end. But I just don't want to take the profit. You have a lot of delta risk when you're that close to expiration. So I'm gonna close the trade as is, okay, for $4.12 credit for a total profit of $182. Okay, so confirm and send. All right, and let's move on. What else do we have? XRX, $58, 58% in our favor. So let's take a look at XRX, and then question, do I believe it's going to go up or down? I think it's going to go lower, so let's analyze this. And the expiration is in January, so I'm going to give it a chance still. Okay, it's plenty of time. I think they might go down, blah blah blah. Let's give it a chance. If you want to take your profit now, say I have more than 50% and there's so much time, I'm happy with the 50%. That'll be fine too. I just, I take my analysis and I make my own decision. You can make your own too. You think the stock is going to bounce? Go ahead and get out of the trade then. Let's go to the monitor tab and look at the bullish trades. Bullish trades. Okay, and here again we have P&L, CINA 77%. Let's take a look at CINA, the chart of SINA. Good, it looks like it will continue higher at least for a week, maybe less, I don't know. And what I have is this, a diagonal. Diagonals are curious little things because the short expires this week and the long in January. Okay, so what could we do? We could actually do a rollover, buy back the December and sell the January, the short. See that? So I get $1 in credit. So my original trade was $289 at risk to make $323. By making this change, my risk becomes $100, my potential profit becomes almost $400. So I'm getting a good deal, am I not? Of course, it will depend on if the stock continues on rallying until January, and perhaps we will get out of the trade before that. But right now it looks really good to do the rollover. You can wait until Friday to do the rollover. You have until Friday to do the rollover if you want to, or close the trade. I think all of those are viable options, viable possibilities that you can take. Okay, I'm going to do the rollover just for the fun of it. I am a rollover addicted, personally, because I somehow think that I'm going to make more money for less risk. Why not? Okay. All right, let's go to the monitor tab again and see YUM. That's 73% P&L on that. Let's see, analyze and enter YUM. And in this case, we are 2 weeks ahead, 2 weeks to expiration. This is a short put spread, which is bullish, or you can call it bull put spread. Okay, some people call it that. And we are right here. My maximum profit is 235 and my current is 172. So you have about $63 more in potential profit. Okay, so perhaps you want to take a profit. That'll be fine. Let's take a look at the chart. I think the stock is bullish still, so I'm going to hold on to that trade for a couple more days. Okay, that's my choice. Okay, there is no right or wrong answer. If you want to get out of there, that'll be fine. Let's go again to the monitor tab, and we have XL and X at 54%. That's sort of very middle of the road. And this is January expiration, and we have the chart here. It looks like it's going to slow down. Let's take a look at the chart, risk graph. That's another diagonal, but it's at the top of the, near the top of the range. So that is a good place to be, because if the stock slows down and goes down a little bit and then goes up, that's a very, very good place to be. If it goes down at the closing back to 92.63, that's where my maximum profit will be. So that looks great. I feel no urge to close this trade. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. Okay, I have one trade that I wanted to enter. It's AKAM, Akamai. Okay, I tried it earlier and I didn't, so let me just copy it from here. I canceled it. Okay, here we go. This trade, it looks strange, and it says 28% volatility. That's not real, okay? That's after hours transformation. But I did enter this trade as here, so we're gonna give it a shot. It looks like we have $246 in profit. If I had entered it, I entered it in real life in my real account, and it shows a profit that's not real. It's more likely that it has $2 or $3 in profit. So this is an alteration, that's an aberration of after hours market. So in this case, I'm risking $339 to make $261. And that's the trade I want to enter. Again, I tested this. I didn't expect this change to happen after hours. But this is the trade I have chosen for us today. And this is what the chart looks like. Bullish in my mind. Confirm and send. And we're going to enter that for a risk of $329. And that's about it. All of you who are new to this channel, please be sure to subscribe. And once you are subscribed, it will be very helpful for me, but it will be helpful for you if you click on the little bell, because then you will get a notification of when I have uploaded my video for the day, so you don't have to wait and see when I get my video done and uploaded. You will get a notification in due time. Okay, so that's all for today. I thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.